Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the CPM model and firmware so you use the correct gear profile. Once done, put the unit in neutral or idle and disconnect power if safety requires it. Make sure to locate the gear selector, linkage, and any locking pins before touching anything. This prevents misalignment and accidental engagement. Now, loosen the lock fastener just enough to free the selector. Do not remove it. You only need play to move the gear mechanism smoothly. Next, rotate the selector to the target gear while you observe linkage travel and stop points. You adjust cable tension or actuator offset in small increments. This fine-tuning is why gear shifts become crisp. Make one adjustment, test movement, and then secure any intermediate fasteners. If the CPM uses electronic trimming, use the on-device calibration menu and apply millisecond changes. Make sure to cycle through several shifts to verify repeatability. Finish by tightening all lock fasteners to specified torque and then perform a full gear sweep under no load. Once done, run a test load or simulated operation for 5 to 10 cycles to confirm reliability. If you encounter misshifts, pause and inspect cable routing, end play at the selector, and actuator calibration. These are the usual suspects. If problems persist, revert to the last known good setting and repeat small adjustments. Documenting each step makes rollback and diagnosis much faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.